The purpose of Bhagavatam is make everyone recognize that whatever they behold, whatever they see is Atma, it is God, it is Ishvara. Vishwam pashyati karya karanataya swaswami sambandhataha shishya acharyataya tathaiva pitruputradi atmana bhedataha swapne jagradiva yayesha purusho maya paribhramitaha. That is the answer. When you see world with all plurality, it is maya paribhramitaha. It is the ignorance that is manifesting. Remove the ignorance, the entire universe is Shiva, Ashtamurti. That we will see slowly in these 3 days. Bhurambamsi analo anilo ambara maharnatho himamshuh puman ityabhati characharatmakamitam yasaiva murtyashtakam. This universe is Shiva. This world is Shiva. There is no world for the knower, only Shiva is there. For the ignorant man, there is only world, no Shiva. Hiranyakashipu and Prahlada are standing in the same room. Hiranyakashipu is asking, where is Narayana? Where is Narayana? And Prahlada says, where is the world? There is no world. Actually, Lord manifested from the pillar, not for Prahlada, only for Hiranyakashipu. Because for Prahlada there is no pillar, only Vishnu is there. There is no necessity for him for seeing Lord as Narasimha. Tvam vayuragniravani vyadambumatraha pranendriyani hridayam chidanugrahasya sarvam tvameva saguno vigunasya bhuman nanyatvadastiyat mano vajasaniruktam. In Prahlada Stuti, Prahlada says, Lord, I have no need to see you in this form. For me, this earth, water, fire, air, space, sun, moon, all the stars, everything is Vishnu. So there is no necessity for me to see you as Narasimha. I am not afraid by this terrible form because something more terrible is there. This is ignorance, this samsara. I am not afraid about this form. For me, this entire universe is Shiva. So that is Shivanubhava. As we are not feeling that it is Shiva, as we are feeling ladies are sitting this side, men are sitting this side. But the Upanishad says, Tvam stri, Tvam pumanasi. Tvam kumaraha utava kumari, tvam jirno dandena vanchasi, tvam jato bhavasi vishvato mukaha. That vision is Shivanubhava. To attain that Shiva experience, Shiva is hidden within us as fire is hidden in the firewood, as ghee is hidden in the milk. Viragil Tiyinan, Palil Neipol, Maraindu Nindrulan. This is a beautiful song by Trinavukarsa Swami. He says, who is Shiva? He says, he is like fire in the firewood. He is like ghee in the milk. And he is hidden inside you. You have to churn him out. Urabukol Natte, by having a relationship with him, by loving him, by deep meditation, churn him out from within. Unarvu kaitral earth. Muruga vangi kadaya munnikkume. He will come, he will surface. Just as butter comes from the buttermilk, that experience will come from within. That Shivanubhava will arise from within. So for that, put a little effort of listening, doing reflection and deep nididhyasana.